Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing MultiLings, a tool that translates text and files. And in the future, on the roadmap, it will be included the translation of websites as well. It just arrived on AppSumo yesterday and they already have 3 positive reviews and it costs $59 and you will not be able to stack. You get 200,000 characters per month, unlimited stories, and 65 language. Those characters included on the deal, you can translate per month around up to 200 pages. So it's a lot. It's enough for many of us. And I'm going to show you how the tool works. As you can see here, by now you can translate text and files. But on the roadmap, you can see that they will add online editing platform, translate speech, so generate speech to speech and speech to text translations with a single click, and translate websites and mobile apps. So the roadmap is pretentious and will add more features to the deal. On the text translate, you just copy and paste and you get the translation to your selected language. I'm going to show you the language that they have. They have a lot. So Danish, Croatian, English, Dutch, Finnish, French, Hungarian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, Vietnamese, Malay, Korean, Russian. Okay, I'm gonna add here Japanese and I'm gonna copy and paste here a couple of texts and I'm gonna click here to translate. Here's my text in Japanese. Let's try now in Spanish. So click here to translate, and here is the translation in Spanish. You can just copy here the result, and here you can click to clear the text. Here you're gonna get the text translate results of the current day, and then you can view and also delete it. You can find the number of characters used, and you can download the input and also the output. And here is the file translate. You can drag and drop text, HTML, doc, PowerPoint, XL, and XLF. I'm gonna add here a doc. So I have a doc here in English, and I'm gonna translate to, for instance, Portuguese. I'm gonna click here to translate, and it's done. Then when it's finished, you will see the status as completed before it was written progress, and you can download the input and the output. By now, it's taking a lot to translate, but MultiLings said that it will improve the speed in the next updates. So just click here and you're gonna download the results. Also, you can find your results here on that tab. It will be always here with the file type as well. The outputs that I tested, I found pretty useful and pretty good, and I'm planning to keep it. I hope they improve it, they improve the speed of the file translate results. And DeepL also, when you are using the free version, you have a lot of limitations, and here you don't. So you can just translate huge documents per month in a lifetime based deal. So I think it's worth it for the price, and I hope they develop it well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.